Hey my beauties, welcome back to The Beam. Today guys, I'm doing a morning routine video. Your girl just woke up. I'm wearing my pajamas still. My hair is in a braid and the braid is falling out because I slept on it. My bed is unmade, as you can see. I am doing a blunt morning routine. This is exactly how my mornings usually go 95% of the time, unless I have something going on like a big test or I have something else like a family thing. Today I'm pretty sure I'm babysitting my niece. If you're new here, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe and turn on that post notification bell so you never miss an upload. This was a requested video, so two of you wanted this video. So I hope I get at least 2 views on it. Okay, so the first thing I usually do in the morning is I go to the bathroom and I will brush my teeth. I will not film the bathroom thing, that's gross, but I will definitely show you how I take care of my skin. I usually wash my face with my face cleanser. I make breakfast, I do a bunch of stuff, I get ready, I change my clothes. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to brush my teeth, and I always do this every single morning without excuse. I always brush my teeth. I'm still really tired, by the way, so if I look kind of like droopy, I am very tired. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay. I use Crest 3D White. Okay guys, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my face with my face cleanser. Hold on, I'll go get it. I am back, and here it is. It is called Rose Water Pink Clay. That's what it looks like. It's a bottle, and it's really thick stuff. Like not super thick, but pretty thick. I got it at Marshall's. Okay, I'm gonna get this wet. I like to wet my face before I start. I think that's what you're supposed to do anyway, but I've always done that. Okay. See, I had this really cute braid, and then, as you can see, I'm sorry, it looks so weird. It's like falling out slowly. I don't know what I can do. Okay, I just did that, and I always screw on the cap of my toothpaste, because if I don't, it drives me crazy. Alright guys, the next thing I usually do is I make my bed. I make my bed 91% of the time, and today that we're doing it. Alright guys, so now I'm going to figure out what I'm going to wear today. So recently I changed my closet theme from winter to summer apparel. So now I have all my dresses and my rompers out, and also have a bunch of short sleeve shirts. I've been wearing a lot of dresses recently, so I might pick a dress on this side, but I don't know. We'll find out shortly. After today guys, I am wearing my pink romper, and you might recognize it from my outro and my my picture, my profile picture. This is the outfit I wore in it. So now we're gonna go in the bathroom and we're gonna do my hair and makeup. Yay. Guys, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be doing my hair, and I have my straightener. I think I'm just gonna straighten it today, and I also have some Aussie heat protectant so my hair does not fry, because it will. So first I'm gonna take it out of this braid, and it's gonna be crazy. Fair warning, it looks crazy in the morning. Coming out. Ow! It's like really knotted. Okay. Now I'm gonna brush it out. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray heat protectant in my hair. So what I can do is spray it on both sides. It doesn't make my hair oily, which is a good thing, because look how poofy my hair is. Okay. Next, I should have done this like 10 minutes ago, But this doesn't take long to get hot, which is a good thing. So I'm gonna plug this in. It is plugged in. I just got a 350? 338. That's what the temperature is. Alright, now we are going to get started with straightening my hair. I got my makeup bag right here, and I think today we're gonna do a simple look. I'm gonna use chapstick, and I might use some mascara because I want to go to breakfast soon. It's almost 9 o'clock. I have my palette from my Hot Topic video because that was the closest thing I can grab. But it's fine because this is actually a pretty cool palette. I think I'll do pink to match my dress. I'm just saying, I'm gonna do my eyebrows in 4 weeks. Like, putting anything on them, I'm not putting anything on them in 4 weeks. I've not brushed them. I've not done anything with them for 4 weeks. Almost a month. Like, so I don't lose them again. I'm gonna put them back in here because all my brushes are in here. I don't know why they were in here for. I guess they got lost or mixed up. Yeah. Guys. So my favorite breakfast is egg sandwich. So what you're gonna need if you wanna make this with me is eggs and toast and pepper and salt and a skillet and put some butter in it. Okay, and I'm also gonna drink some Minute Maid orange juice. So let's get started. So I'm gonna come down here. I'm gonna grab a skillet, put that on the stove. That's pepper. Okay. We have everything right here. Okay. So, yes. Alright. So, it is, as you can see, pretty early. And first thing, I'm just gonna stop. It's fine, no rule. Alright. I used 2 eggs.
Yes.
Medium. And see, they are cooking nicely. I'm gonna give them another 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna flip them. Alright, so I added the salt and pepper. It's cooking really good. And I put my bread in the toaster. And this should be done very, very soon. Alright guys, so here's my final breakfast. I got some grapes, which are delicious because they're good for you. I got orange juice, and then I made myself an egg sandwich with pepper and salt. I love this, and I cook my eggs over easy, by the way. Anyways guys, that's all for today's video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys so much. Bye my beauties!